Good afternoon, or once again, a good morning for the second time, and it is the matchup. Our match at hand is the ACC Green Serpents, the defending champions, squaring off once again for the second time the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Unit Incorporated Panthers here in the second round of elimination here in Bucal Season 6. We're futurized. I am L.A. Lapid, and together with me is Jasper Abante, and we are here to cover and give you the updates of our ball game, the ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation Panthers from Sorsogon. And we are live on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, Bucal Facebook page. And also our matchup today is none other than live here at Ateneo de Naga University GYMNASIUM, the heart of Bucal basketball here in the region.
Alright, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, LA and Jasper, for the second game of the third week of our second round of eliminations. Maulan sa labas, maulan dito sa Ateneo de Naga University, and as we can see, medyo kakaunti yung ating fans, pero for sure nakatutok sila dito sa ating live coverage via Bucal Facebook page and of course on Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Ayan, live na live rin tayo ngayon sa YouTube channel ng One Media TV 48 Naga. Ayan, at matutunghayan natin dito sa second game natin ay yung Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents, yung mga malalayong schools outside of Naga City dito for the Juniors Division duel. Alright.
Especially in the first round they have faced. They are actually the first game of the first round, and right now they are battling out for the second round, wherein ACC Green Serpents is 1-0 when facing the Annunciation Panthers, or rather a 3-0 as we can count also from the Season 5 of this matchup between the ACC and the Annunciation Panthers. And right now the ACC Green Serpents looking for a 4-0 in this matchup against the Annunciation Panthers, and the Panthers is still trailing against the ACC Green Serpents when facing the ACC Green Serpents, the defending champions of last season. But as we have a look at the standings, the Annunciation Panthers is currently at the last seed, while the ACC Green Serpents is at the number 3 seed, and the ACLC Hawks at the number 2 seed, with the number 1 seed, the NCF Cubs, 7-0 in the win-loss column. And we're gonna start our ball game as the starting 5 for the Annunciation Panthers now going into the center court.
And as we are about to start, medyo problema lang tayo dito sa ating venue since it's rainy outside, and I think there is a raindrops dito sa ating Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Pero rest assured, bahala dyan ang ating floor managers. Ayan, at let's hear an update from our courtside. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Let's hear it from Rain. Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and LA, and good morning, Bicolans. We are back for another thrilling game here at Ateneo de Naga University GYMNASIUM. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. A battle between the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon and the ACC Green Serpents. Bago nga magsimula ang laro, nag-usap-usap ang team wherein they were instructed with specific offense and defense plays. This is yet isa sa inaabang laban ng mga Panthers because this is their second time facing the Serpents. Hopefully, with everything they prepared, they will take home the victory today. Now, will the Panthers be able to conquer the ACC Green Serpents? Yan ang dapat nating abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I am Rain Reyes, and I am your courtside resident on the side of the Panthers. Back to the Panthers.
Thank you so much, Rain, for giving us an update for the Annunciation Panthers. And kanina, si Rain din yung ating nakasama sa Mariners and Naga National High School, kung saan it is 101-55 in our final score of this match. And as we await this game, as it is being facilitated by our court managers to make the floor safe for players to play. And we have also an update from the opposite side of our baseline, our courtside reporter, Kyla of the ACC Green Serpents. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Ali and Jasper. Good morning, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the second game today. Ako po, si Kyla Casulia, at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the ACC Junior Green Serpents. After losing last game against the NCF Cubs, they are now ready to bounce back. According to Coach John, he continuously reminds his team to always focus on defense dahil ito nga ang kanilang naging lapses during their game against the NCF. Susunod na lamang ang maayos na opensa at laging unahin ang depensa. Hindi mananalo sa NCF Tigers pero handang-handa na silang bumawi at ipakita ang galing ng Junior Green Serpents. And munang update for now, back to you, LA and Jasper.
Thank you, Kyla, for giving us a quick insights for the ACC Green Serpents. And the ACC Green Serpents, they have lost also to their rivals, the NCF Cubs. And they are 2-0. The NCF Tigers is actually 2-0 when facing the ACC Green Serpents. And however, the ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation Panthers are waiting for the game to commence as the court is actually slippery, especially on the center court which we're in. It is very crucial for players to step on that center court when it is slippery because yan yung usually dinadaanan ng ating mga players, and the game won't commence until it has dried up dun sa center court. And I think we are ready for our tip-off, and our officials for this game is from the SBP, Naga City Elite Referees. We have Ronnie Malinisa, Rizal Ponting, and Sir Rodel Pancho. And here comes the tip-off for the ACC and the Annunciation Panthers. Ball is up, and the Annunciation Panthers gets that first ball possession as an early three-pointer for number 30 of the Annunciation Panthers, Balaoro. Nachi Balaoro.
Now ACC Green Serpents, jersey number 7. Now jersey number 14 with that steal by jersey number 18 of the Panthers with that fly action, in and out ball. Grabe. Napakaagang magandang aksyon ang pinapakita dito sa atin.
Balaoro looking for a back-to-back field goal for the ACC Green Serpents, but there goes a three-pointer by Destura, but it doesn't go in as the ACC Green Serpents still shut out at the first quarter with a 3-0 run here by the Annunciation Panthers, and Belardo losing that one.
Now to jersey number 30.
There goes that block by Junmar Madrona, and Diaz. Short elbow jumper there. Madrona gets a save and a hold on that ball. Junmar Madrona hands it to number 7. Here comes Christian Mayor to Bongon, but Bongon loses that one. But a great recovery there, and he hands it to Kian Vargas. But there was a traveling violation for the ACC Green Serpents, and it's 8 minutes and 19 seconds in the first quarter with the Annunciation Panthers still on the lead against the ACC Green Serpents.
Serrano checked in for the ACC Green Serpents now. Detura, jersey number 18. Now, Detura again, double team here. And a held ball situation. The same ball possession for the ACC Green Serpents as Madrona will inbound. Now to jersey number 7, Vargas, to Madrona with 15 seconds to shoot on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Madrona fires for the 3. No good. Pero may bawi doon si jersey number 17 na Bonggon on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. First blood for the ACC Green Serpents now.
Short corner there, but it doesn't go in. And here comes Junmar Madrona on the run for the Green Serpents, and he misses that layup. Couple of missed opportunities right now for the Green Serpents as they are maintaining some kind of their composure. And Serrano slipped on that sequence.
Now, Panthers, jersey number 18. Destura. And makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws by that foul by jersey number 18 Mayor. Ayan, at makakakuha dito ng free throw si Balaoro on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 2 free throws. And shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nanonood sa ating Bucal Facebook Live. We have Sir King Arvin Sardinio, the King Olympian, Mark Duca, Ma'am Janjan Basales. We also have here Roel Tud. Ayan, Sir Roel Tud, happy viewing. We also have here the napakagandang commentator. We have here Christine Reyes. Shoutout din kay Gian Virgil Mendoza and kay Detisio Pacifico. The player of the Annunciation Panthers in the seniors division.
And the Annunciation Panthers still leading 4 against the ACC Green Serpents. And Habargas hands it to Mayor, now to Madrona, to Serrano. He's being triple teamed there by the Annunciation Panthers. Now into the corner here is Mayor with 5 seconds to shoot. Madrona, a hell ball opportunity. As Palaoro tries to have that held the ball possession, but ball possession comes in their way after that possession arrow. The held ball situation and possession arrow was pointing at their team. There goes that full court press of the ACC Green Serpents as number 81 is Stephen Domasian. Doesn't get that shot to go, but there was a foul on Justin Serrano, Brick Serrano. Chooses Diaz on the sequence as Diaz fires an elbow jumper. And there goes that save by number 18 of the Annunciation, James Destura, to still continue their lead in the first quarter with 5 minutes and 23 seconds as Madrona fires a 3-pointer. Still cold here in the first quarter. And a Christian Mayor, nice sidestep there.
10-6, a 4 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers as we approach the midway of our first quarter now. No good on that, pero may bawi, may follow-up shot doon. Si jersey number 17, Gobis on the side of the Annunciation. Now, Madrona on the corner, jersey number 18, Mayor. To jersey number 10, Ari Iblugin. And naubusan sila dito ng shot clock.
So they have to be alert at all times kasi they are trailing here by 6. And We'll be right back after the short break. Annunciation College 12-6 against the Annunciation Panthers. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating first quarter. Lamang po dito ng 6 na puntos itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, jersey number 1 with that assist by jersey number 17, Gobis. Napakagandang chemistry yung pinapakita dito sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. Out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. Now Balaoro, jersey number 32, inbound on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now a steal on the side of the Green Serpents.
And Iblugoyen loses that ball, and there's a save by Nathan Bongon. Christian Mayor stops. A three-pointer on the way, but Beric Serrano comes up with that offensive rebound. And Nathan Bongon going all the way with that layup. Quick passes here for the Annunciation Panthers, but there is a foul on number 24, Adrian Diaz. And here comes a substitution for the Annunciation Panthers as Nico Hachazo checks in for the Annunciation Panthers. Here comes the inside. And that's a good bounce on Esquilona. It's a 8-point lead for the Annunciation Panthers. And almost getting that one is Denzel Alicando, but there's a miscue for the ACC Green Serpents here. Rough start for the ACC Green Serpents. Doesn't get that three-pointer. As number 17 of the Panthers, Gobis, called for that foul, and it's his first personal foul for the first quarter. There's a tap by number 17. Here comes Mayor. Nash. Here comes Palaoro for that steal, but there was a foul called on Nathan Bongon.
Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Sir Bong Castroverde, the assistant coach of the STI Olympians. Happy viewing, sir.
And also Hannah Moral of the Genesis Roaring Lions, who is tuning up and will be gearing up for the next game. The STI and the Genesis Roaring Lions, and Mayor hands it to number 8. Serrano to Eda with 5 seconds to shoot, but there was a traveling violation committed by the ACC Green Serpents. Both teams are scoreless in the past 3 minutes of our game this morning. Swings it to Hachazo. And number 1, Hamoragan. Gobis fires a triple.
Now, 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Madrona, no good on that attempt by Madrona. Pero may follow-up shot dito. No good. And out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take the ball possession. Last minute na tayo dito sa ating first quarter, LA. Now,
back-to-back turnovers for both of our teams. And it will be the ACC basketball as number 7, Kian Paulo Vargas, will be checking in for the ACC Green Serpents. Here comes that 3-2 zone defense of the Annunciation Panthers. Nice swinging of ball here as Junmar Madrona will fire a triple but comes up air ball on that shot.
now jersey number 4, Esquilona. No good.
Just as Eda was going for that run to chase that ball, but it was rather passed on the line of the sideline, and gets that out of bounds. And here comes the Annunciation Panthers, who have a couple of ball possessions there and a double dribble violation for the Annunciation Panthers with 17 seconds to shoot, and the shot clock is at 14, a 3-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock.
Now, jersey number 8 to inbound. Eda. Now to Mayor. Madrona. To jersey number 17, Bongon. And out of bounds. Turnover pa rin tayo dito. Grabe, LA. Na-hold na yung points or yung scores nitong dalawang teams na ito. Last 8 seconds now.
Almost an interception there by Bongon as number 4 doesn't go in that layup.
And that's the end of our first quarter. 16-8, 8 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back live here inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium to continue up this matchup of the ACC Green Serpents against the Annunciation Panthers of Sorsogon. And Nathan Bongon hands it to Kian Vargas. Now to Madrona with 9 seconds to shoot, but here is a traveling violation, and traveling is more fun with Nagayon. Travel and Tours Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. And also, we would like to give a shout out to Lemon Residences, one of our sponsors, and also our major sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Law & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. And Bucal is powered by Converge, FiberX, Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Fighting Range, and Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Almost the shot clock was expiring in the 9-minute mark of the second quarter, and Belardo will be checking in for Bongon.
A couple of substitutions here on the side of both of these teams. Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents, Mayor to inbound. And let's hear an update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Alright, so Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Jasper and LA. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Hindi man maganda ang umpisa sa Green Serpents dahil maigpit na depensa ang pinapakita ng kalaban. But we can see that they are striving na makabawi for this quarter. Patuloy silang pinapalahanan na bawasan ng turnovers at mas pag-igihan ang depensa ngayong quarter. They're also reminded by the wrong position, lalo na pag umaatake na ang kalaban. For the last reminder of Coach Chan, before the start of the second quarter, they need to secure the ball all the time. Ingatan kung ingatan, at pag mahina ang opensa, doblehin palagi ang depensa. Yan munang update for now. Balik sa inyo, LA and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ay nangat nakita naman natin na nahirapan yung ating ACC Green Serpents doon sa nagdaan na first quarter. Pero tingnan natin kung paano yan magbabago or paano nila i-adjust yung kanilang game strategies and game plans dito sa ating second quarter. Now, ball possession pa rin ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents, 18-10. 18 points lead of 8 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. And on the other hand, we have the Annunciation Panthers. Let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Rain. Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and LA. During huddle, the Annunciation Panthers aimed to improve their man-to-man defense and was told to always box out. Ending the first quarter in victory, the team are still eager to maintain their performance, and Coach Van continuously gives them reminders on what to do and not do in the hard court. Asahan natin ang patuloy na improvements ng Annunciation Panthers. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for giving us an insights on what the Panthers have talked about during the first quarter break. And as we can see, the Annunciation Panthers is still up on the scoreboard with 7 points up. They're 18-11 with 8 minutes remaining in the second quarter, but an early travel here by Destura. And shot clock will be reset to 14 seconds as the ACC Green Serpents will be inbounding the ball.
Now, Mayor to Madrona.
Hands it back to Alicando, to number 16, Colecha. Here comes Madrona. I thought it was a 3, but here comes a teardrop shot ongoing.
Grabe itong si Madrona. Kanina pa na naglalaro para sa ACC Green Serpents from the first quarter up until dito sa ating second quarter, pero natawagan dito ng out of bounds itong Annunciation Panthers. Same ball possession for the ACC Green Serpents now.
Alicando and Colecha icing up the offense of the Annunciation Panthers a while ago, and there's that steal by Destura as he stripped the ball away from the hands of Junmar Madrona, but there is a foul on Junmar Madrona, and on the line to shoot 2 free throws is Destura of the Annunciation Panthers.
Yan, i-shoutout muna natin dito si John Christian Bagais and Kin Kaya na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live coverage. 13-19. Hindi na dinagdagan ng isa pa on that bonus shot. Pero another chance for the Panthers. Overshoot and out of bounds. The same ball possession pa rin. And jersey number 17 Bongon once again checked in for the ACC Green Serpents.
11 seconds to shoot here for the Annunciation Panthers. And hands it to Destura, who have been hot here in the first half of this ball game. And there goes that steal by Colecha to Madrona. And now hands it to Christian Dave Mayor. A 2-1-2 type of defense here being executed by the Annunciation Panthers. But here comes Nathan Bongon to Colecha. A 3-pointer still doesn't go in for the ACC Green Serpents. There goes that nice jello layup by number 30 of the Annunciation Panthers, Nachi Balaoro, to extend their lead to 9 against the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, jersey number 17, no good on that attempt pero may bawi doon. No good on that second attempt.
The
Now,
ACC Green
Destura
Serpents still having a difficulty of being in that paint as the Annunciation Panthers really boxing out well and not letting them go even a bit into the paint. And here comes Prick Serrano, some adding of a reinforcements for the ACC Green Serpents. And number 17, Nathan Bongon, will be called for a warning for faking a foul.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents, Mayor to jersey number 17, Bongon. Now to Mayor. Now to Madrona. And the whistle. The same ball possession, natawagan dito ng blocking foul. Si jersey number 24, Adrian Diaz. And that forces a timeout on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, 21-13. 8 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayun, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. We also have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza. Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, Department of Agriculture, Bicol. And of course, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear. Garden Café, Naga yung Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge of FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Now back to the ball game as we are about to approach the midway of our second quarter.
Almost an assist there by the Green Serpents as he hands it into the back of number 17 of the Panthers, Gobis. And here comes that basket for the Green Serpents, as they are now being as the ACC Green Serpents now enforcing a full court man-to-man trapping with 1 second before they force a 8-second shot clock violation. But he hands it to Gobis. And Escalona doesn't get that. And there goes that traveling violation to number 13, Nachi Balaoro.
Now, jersey number 7, Vargas, checked in for the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona with that alley-oop sana, pero no good. Now, Madrona. Jersey number 11, no good on that 3-point attempt. Another chance, pero a steal here. Jersey number 30, Destura with that easy 2 points.
The Annunciation Panthers really taking advantage of the leniency of defense being shown by the Amanda Cope, and also the Annunciation Panthers have a couple of steals. And almost all players of the Amanda Cope College are foul trouble, as Iblagoin will be checking in for the Panthers.
Ayan, jersey number 30 is Balaoro.
And intercepted by Junmar Madrona. And Madrona hands it to Kian Vargas in the corner for a 3, but now Gobis fouled number 4, Esquilona, as 2 free throws will be handed to Nathan Bongon.
Now, Nathan Bongon. That's good for his first attempt. 3 minutes and 58 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Annunciation Panthers, but is still here by the Serpents. Jersey number 5 with that layup using his left hand, Serrano. And that's good for the ACC Green Serpents, and that forces a timeout on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami after a short break. And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter now. Annunciation Panthers basketball. And natawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul si jersey number 30, Nachi Balaoro, on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. magkakaroon dito ng 2 free throws. Si Junmar Madrona on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Let's see. Let's take a look once again. Dahil nasabihan na dito ng ating referees, itong ating mga players about that motion. Pero as we can see here, dito sa ating replay after that inbound play, let's see once again yung elbow motion nitong si Balaoro kay Junmar Madrona. Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona to jersey number 17. Now, jersey number 5. With that, grabe, back-to-back free throws ang nakukuha dito ni jersey number 17, Nathan Bongon, on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Naibaba na nga nila sa 5 puntos yung kalamangan dito ng Annunciation Panthers. Tingnan natin kung ibababa pa yan sa 3 puntos ni Nathan Bongon.
They are actually trying to take advantage of the Annunciation Panthers being in penalty situation in the second quarter with 3 minutes and 34 seconds as the ACC Green Serpents slowly trying to take the lead of the Annunciation Panthers, and that cuts down the lead of the Panthers as Domasian will be getting that one. Now going solo on flight, here comes Gobis. The Amanda Coppy College still having trouble of having a coverage inside the paint, and Junmar Madrona a long 3-pointer but comes up short, and Serrano comes down on the floor a while ago, and he's going one-on-one with Gobis as Diaz. There's a short corner by number 18 or Destura. Rather, number 18, Destura. And here comes Kian Vargas posting up, and Junmar Madrona on the corner. Iblugoin fires a long triple. Hits the rim but comes out. Junmar Madrona with a slicing up on that defense of the Panthers.
Now, Annunciation Panthers, jersey number 18. Now, to Diaz. Pero, natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 7 Vargas on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Same ball possession for the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, at penalty situation na po dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers. And warning for penalty situation naman itong ating ACC Green Serpents.
And also the lead is back to 6 points. And Destura with 10 seconds to shoot. Good screen there by Gobis on Mayor, but it was stolen. And here comes Belardo.
Overshoot, and a rebound here on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Gobis, and out of bounds, has the same ball possession for the Annunciation Panthers.
Almost all of the steal attempts of the Amanda Coppy College all coming out and turning it over. And almost a hand to Diaz, and Belardo goes outside and turning it over once again for the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, jersey number 11, jersey number 81, Domasian to inbound. And an elbow motion by his jersey number 18, Christian Dave Mayor. Natawagan dito ng foul. Ayan, at both teams are in penalty situation na as Destura will get the 2 free throws, and that's good for his first attempt. Now, Destura once again with the jumpers are in. No good on that second attempt by Destura, and the defensive rebound here by the ACC Green Serpents.
Well,
Now,
the ACC Green Serpents are really having trouble of protecting that ball, as a while ago while going on that inbound play. He almost loses that shot. And Mayor gets a save, and Vargas swings it to Junmar Madrona.
2 shots dahil dyan sa pushing foul by jersey number 18. Makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws si Junmar Madrona on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. We would also like to commend our media partners. We have One Media TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, headed by our station manager, Sir Jermaine Jacob, our technical director, Engineer RJ Rebedorial, and ating napakagandang production administrator. We have Ma'am Irene Tosok. Ayan ang ating napakasisipag na cameraman. We have here Brian Tosok, Sir Jameson Brenya, Ma'am Niela Berida. We have Sir James Gabarda and Sir Kim Monteroso. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa ating media partner.
Both teams taking advantage of the penalty situation have of both of the teams, and to correct the what my partner Jasper have said, Marniela Berrido, the cameraman or the camera woman of One Media TV 48 Naga, and also here in Bucal. And Kian Vargas swings it to Junmar Madrona with 5 seconds to shoot, having a sense of urgency as Christian Daymayo fired it from way outside and fighting for that loose ball. There goes that shot by Nathan Bongon, but still they are trailing. It's the first time that the Annunciation Panthers are actually dominant in their game against the Annunciation Panthers. Will we see an upset in the Division 1 of this game of the Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents?
Testura again on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, 23 to 31. 8 points lead, and that forces the ACC Green Serpents to call a timeout. Tingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito, dahil after that, before that free throws by Destura, the coach of the ACC Green Serpents is complaining about the traveling violation, pero wala namang traveling violation na naitawag itong ating officials, and that forces a timeout on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. We'll see kung ano yung gagawing decisions dito ng ating coaches, kung paano nila i-adjust yung kanilang game plan, and of course yung kanilang strategies on how to cope up dito sa ating last 32 seconds ng ating second quarter. All right.
With 32 seconds left in the second quarter, it's the Annunciation Panthers game here as they lead 9 against the ACC Green Serpents, and it's the ACC Green Serpents basketball as Christian Dave Mayor will be inbounding it to Junmar Madrona. Still a light defense here by the Annunciation Panthers as they are setting up a 3-2 defense, and Madrona all the way with its short jumper.
Now, jersey
Achazo.
number 10 with that easy layup using his left hand, and that's good. Last 5 seconds. Now ACC Green Serpents. On the corner, Madrona. No good on that 3 points attempt. And that's the end of our first half. 23-34. 11 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Diyan lamang po kayo. At magbabalik po kami for the second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Second half of action now underway between the Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents. A nice steal there by Junmar Madrona as it slips away from the hands of the Annunciation Panthers, and also a miscue at Chazo. There's a screen by Gobis and back to Diaz. Now to Destura. To Hachazo, a 3-pointer doesn't go in. And there goes that rebound by Christian Mayor. As he was almost, the ball was almost stolen by number 17 Gobis. And there comes a 3-pointer by Madrona. And it doesn't go in.
Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 17 of the Annunciation Panthers. Same ball possession for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 10 to inbound. Mayor. Now to Madrona. To Mayor again. Now to jersey number 10, back to Madrona. A good ball rotation and a steal on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now,
The ACC Green Serpents, kanina pa yun yung kanina pa sila naubusan ng shot clock. So, they have to be alert at all times as the shot clock is like winding down a bit. And they are still trailing here by 11 points, and there goes Iblogoen for that 3-pointer, but doesn't go in, and nagagawan dito sa loose ball yung ACC and Annunciation Panthers, and here comes Destura on flight. Here comes Cobes. Diaz, nice play there as he uses the glass to finish that play.
alright, so let's hear an update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain to give us an update. Alright, so Rain, take it away.
Hello, Jasper and LA. Know how to fix your positions in the hard court, execute screens and ways on how to make a basket. Work as a team and be aware on who you pass the ball. According to Coach Van, the Panthers should be able to implement screens and plays. Less dribble and backs out, dagdag niya pa. Even with the standing, hindi pa din dapat makampante dahil ayon sa players, they're still heading for 2 more quarters. At dito, they aim to maintain their lead and display tighter defense. Now, this is the Panthers ready to continue the fight. That's it for now. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and LA.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Alright, so abangan natin na LA yung mas pinahigpit na depensa nitong ating Annunciation Panthers, and of course kung paano sila nag-adjust doon sa kanilang gameplay, lalong-lalo na yung sabi nga doon ng kanilang coach na iwasan yung errors and of course dagdagan yung kanilang screening and backs out defense. Alright, so on the other hand, we also have the ACC Green Serpents. Nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Alright, so Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Ellie and Jasper. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, they are reminded that they are being pressured by the opponent. They need to focus for this quarter at huwag magpapadala sa pressure, lalo na pag lamang na ang kalaban. Coach Chan reminds them na pag di nabawi sa opensa, laging doblehin ng depensa at huwag magsisihan pag nagkakamali ang isa. Coaches insisted to double their effort for the last 2 quarters of the game and always play smart. Kailangan ng maayos na pasa to have a good ball rotation. Kailangan protektahan ng bola all the time. Huwag mapapagod at kailangan ng dobleng bawi ngayong quarter. Makahabol at makabawi na kaya sila for this quarter? Yan ang ating dapat abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayun na nga, nadadala sila sa pressure ng Annunciation Panthers. Pero let's see kung magpapadala ba talaga sila dyan dito sa ating second half. And as we can see, patuloy ang pagdagdag ng kalamangan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. 13 points lead. Now, let's see kung anong bawi naman ang gagawin dito. Another chance, but still here by jersey number 16.
As I can see here, the Annunciation Panthers is trying to go easy on the ACC Green Serpents, and Alicando thought about a 3 there, and Nathan Bongon layup there as Esquilona and number 30 Balaoro was on the paint, trying to almost stop him from getting that layup. And Hachaso guarded by Serrano and Mayor a while ago. And timeout is called by the Annunciation Panthers. 38-27, the Annunciation Panthers leading against the trailing team, ACC Green Serpents. We'll be right back after this short commercial break.
Back to the ball game. Annunciation Panthers basketball and Mayor slip here. Natawagan dito ng blocking foul si jersey number now ACC basketball. Jersey number 6 fires for the 3 and no good this time. And
Still
defensive
having
rebound.
Trouble to put threes in the scoring is the ACC Green Serpents, and Escalona, that's a 2-pointer on that short corner.
Now a traveling violation has been issued to jersey number 11 of the ACC Green Serpents. Syempre LA, traveling is more fun with Naga. Travel and tours. Now
More pressure is being applied here for the Panthers, and that's a good elbow jumper as timeout is once again issued to the Amanda Coppy College Green Serpents in the third quarter with 42-27. They are leading against the ACC Green Serpents.
and for now, we would like to thank our sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawnshop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons, Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions Incorporated. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. We also want to thank the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, Department of Agriculture, Bicol, and of course, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. Now back to the ball game. No, ganun that 3 points attempt by jersey number 8 of the ACC Green Serpents. Now,
Well, all of the shots of the ACC Green Serpents from their favorite spot has not been going, and a technical foul, I think, to Junmar Madrona. It's as for faking a foul. And there goes that free throw in a fraction for Adrian Diaz, and Junmar Madrona still complaining about the what could be a foul.
Ayan, tawagan doon ng technical foul. Si Junmar Madrona, one of the key players of the ACC Green Serpents. 27-42 ang ating score. 15 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers.
Almost losing that ball. Now here comes Hachazo being guarded by Mayor and Palaoro. Despite being cornered by Mayor and Vargas, he still manages to fire that three-pointer and extending the lead. They're coming up big against the ACC Green Serpents in the third quarter. And the ACC Green Serpents will now be forced to enforce the full court press.
Now, Esquilona on the corner again. Jersey number 30, Balaoro. Not counted dahil natawagan siya doon ng traveling violation. Siyempre, LA, more fun traveling with Naga yun. Travel and tours. Grabe. Sayang yung opportunity na yon. But let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 18 to jersey number 8. Now to jersey number 7 to Mayor.
Once again, the shot clock is winding down to 3 seconds, and there goes that block by Esquilona. And once again, shot clock expired for the ACC Green Serpents. There goes that trouble for them. It's still continuing, that shot clock curse for the Amanda Coppy College. Diaz hands it to number 16, Manlapas. Esquilona. Now here's a triple from top of the key.
Esquilona again with that 2 points. Manlapas.
It's Hachazo of the Annunciation Panthers. And
now ACC basketball. Jersey number 8, Eda. Ayan, at couple of substitutions here. Domasian, Destura, and Gomez check in for the Annunciation Panthers. Also,
Belardo of the ACC Green Serpents with 4 seconds to shoot.
27-47, 20 points lead, and that's good. Alley-oop play by Mayor and jersey number 17, Bongon.
Well, they needed that shot to go as they have no more time to pass it around, and or else they will be once again forced to take a shot clock violation. And because of that shot clock violation, the defense of the Annunciation Panthers is going strong as they execute it well, and they are forcing the ACC Green Serpents to not go inside the 3-point line, and also being inside the paint as Gomez hands it to number 30, and he steps on the line.
Turnover on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 18 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Mayor. No good on that 3-point shot by Eda. Destura with that 3-point shot. No good on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Pero may bawi doon si jersey number 17, Gobis, on the side of the Panthers. Now,
Mayor. Well, we're 1 minute and 30 seconds away from ending the third quarter. The third quarter is going the Annunciation way as Vargas hands it to number 8. Now back to Nathan Bongon with 4 seconds to shoot. Shot clock winding down, and the sense of urgency as number 8 of the Green Serpents still makes it by Sebastian Eda. 1 minute to play here, and here comes the double team by Eda and Bongon and Gobis. Traveling violation.
Ayan, syempre LA, traveling is more fun with Naga yun. Travel and tours. Now, ACC basketball, Mayor. Now to jersey number 16, Colecha. Now to Eda. And a miscue here. Turnover on the side of the Annunciation Patos. A very crucial error on the side of the ACC Green Serpents dahil 39 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating third quarter.
Well, 10 minutes of another quarter is still coming up for these teams, and it's crunch time, I think, for the ACC Green Serpents to put something up against the Annunciation Panthers. And shot clock is off with 15 seconds left to play, and Christian Mayor hands it to Eda. To Bongon. Double teamed.
Now a steal.
A nice steal by
Balaoro, and that's good for Balaoro using his left hand. Attacked on the left side of the front court, and saktong-sakto ang pagtatapos ng ating third quarter with 32-53, 21 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and last quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa ating fourth and last quarter with that 21 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Now tingnan natin kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents dito sa ating fourth and last quarter with that basket count. Plus 3 points play opportunity for jersey number 17, Bongon, on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
It's actually the first time that the ACC Green Serpents are entering the fourth quarter with the lead not in their sides when facing the Annunciation Panthers, and 3-point play opportunity isn't completed by Bongon. Now a man-to-man trapping being enforced, and there goes that nice defense of the ACC Green Serpents. That full court man-to-man trapping being executed properly as they force the shot clock to wind down to 8 seconds. Kian Vargas hands it to Mayor.
Now to Madrona. A double team Madrona, but Jersey number 7 managed it. Madrona again, no good on that 3 points up shot and out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take the ball possession. Ayan, at medyo nakakabawi-bawi na. Or magandang play na yung ipinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. We'll see kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba yan. Now, ACC's basketball.
And there's a save by Mayor. And stripped
Madrona.
away by Gobis and Madrona.
But still here.
But there is a foul on
Ayan.
it will be reviewed by our officials. If there was a foul on Junmar Madrona, as it continued into the center court as Gobis and Madrona trying to chase for that loose ball, and I thought that was a held ball for both of these teams, but rather we see ref Ronnie Malinisa raising a clenched fist, and we'll have a clear look if it was a foul on Junmar Madrona, or rather they will overturn the ruling of the verdict of our game officials.
Well, as we can see kanina, natawagan na itong si Madrona ng technical foul dun sa ating first half. Technical foul for faking a foul. Ayun ay tawag din ng ating officials. Pero we'll see sa ating replay kung ano talaga yung nangyari doon and bakit natawagan doon ng foul. We'll see if there's a clear footage of that foul. 19 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. We'll see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents para mabawi yung kalamangan na nagawa dito ng Panthers. And we'll also see if how do the Green Serpents manage to manage the pressure. Ayan, titingnan natin kung paano i-manage nitong ating ACC Green Serpents yung pressure na defending champion yung kanilang katapat ngayon. And of course, lamang na itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, kung babaliwalain ba nito or do they take advantage on that pressure?
If the Annunciation Panthers actually win this ball game, it will be their second win in Division 1 as they defeated the UNC Greyhounds during September 14, and if they manage to beat the ACC Green Serpents, it will be officially their second win this season. And the ACC Green Serpents, if they still lost in this game against the Annunciation Panthers, I think they will need to slide back a bit in the rankings in Division 1. However, Division 1 teams won't be eliminated at the end of the second round, but only the top 2 teams in Division 2 will get to play against Division 1 teams in the play-in round. We're in the top 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 teams will be vying for a spot if the number 3 seed deserves to be in the number 8 seed. It will be 3 versus 8, 4 versus 7, and 5 versus 6. After that play-in or seeding rounds, we will now proceed to our quarterfinals, where in the top 1 and the top 2 is safe and won't play for the seeding rounds but will play for the quarterfinals. And if a team is undefeated during the elimination round, they will have a twice to beat advantage during the quarterfinals. And a traveling violation is just called.
Ayan at natawagan dito ng traveling violation. Itong si Junmar Madrona on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 18, Mayor. No good on that alley-oop play sana. A missed alley-oop play opportunity on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Annunciation Panthers. Jersey number 32 inbound. Now, Diaz. But a steal by Madrona. Madrona. Now to jersey number 5.
Nice hook shot there by Brix Serrano. And to give us an update from the sideline, our courtside reporter from the ACC Green Serpents, Kyla. Kyla, what is your insights on the ACC Green Serpents?
Thank you, Ali and Jasper. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup. Patuloy nga ang kalamangan ng kanilang opponent. Kaya naman patuloy silang pinapaalahanin na doblehin ang kanilang effort dahil magandang opensa at depensa ang pinapakita ng kanilang kalaban. Patuloy ang kanilang turnovers kaya naman nagiging rason ito para mas makalamang ang kalaban. Coach Chan reminds them na wag aalis sa sistema. Mag-stick dito at wag magsariling gusto sa loob ng court. Kailangan nilang i-apply ng maayos ang sinet na sistema ni Coach Chan dahil kanina niya pa ito hinahanap. Wag mawawala ng pag-asa dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban. Mas pag-igihan ang opensa at depensa for the last quarter of this game. Makabawi at makahabol pa kaya sila? Yan ang ating dapat abangan. For now, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Abangan natin yan, LA. Kung paano ba i-dominate nitong ating ACC Green Serpents ang ating fourth and last quarter. Mahaba-haba pa ang oras for our fourth and last quarter. As we can see, we are just in time approaching the 7th minute mark of our fourth and last quarter. All right, so let's hear an update from the other side. We have the Annunciation Panthers. Nandiyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and LA. Never work individually when playing. Know that you are a team one in hardcourt. Remember, our training, as one of the players said to the team, Jasper and LA, up to this point, they're still in a 2-digit lead. Makita nga the hard work of the Panthers are paying off, but of course, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Abangan natin kung ano pa ang gagawin ng Panthers sa larong ito. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayun na nga, LA, at yun na lang yung kailangan nating abangan dito sa fourth and last quarter on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ano pa yung mga ipapakita nilang plays para maipatuloy ang kanilang momentum dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now, ACC's basketball, jersey number 7. Now to Madrona. On the corner, Bongon. Back to Madrona.
Shot clock winding down again.
Out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take the ball possession. Grabe. Nahihirapan pa rin dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero let's see. As they are doing a man-to-man trapping. Now, Annunciation Panthers, Detura. No good on that attempt, but another chance for the Panthers. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 17, Nathan Bongon, on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. The same ball possession for the Annunciation Panthers. Balaoro to inbound. Now to Gobis. Well guarded by Bongon. Now to Diaz. Diaz and a steal by ayan at nagkaroon dito ng illegal lifting or illegal carrying of the ball. Turnover on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Nathan Bongon has the ball to Mayor. No good on that three-pointer while he is being guarded by Nachi Balaoro and Romasian. But there was a traveling violation called on number 18, James Destura of the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, Mayor to Bongon. Mayor again on the side of the Green Serpents. Jersey number 7. Vargas now on the under the basket. Vargas again on the outside without warning for the shot clock. And ayun na nga, naubusan na naman sila dito ng shot clock as we are about to approach the 6th minute mark of our 4th and last quarter.
Here goes that shot clock curse by the ACC Green Serpents. They have been, or kanina pa sila naubusan ng shot clock from the start of the first quarter up until the 4th quarter. I think that is something they have to look on, is to be alert at all times.
Mid-range jumper and that's good.
And also, yung mga mid-range jumpers din ng Annunciation Panthers have been going easy as they have 0 to 50% coverage from the ACC Green Serpents. Also a good ball rotation from both of these teams, but
that's good for 3 points by Bongon on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nothing but the net. Atid sa atin yan ang Converge ICT Solutions. Napakagandang tres by Nathan Bongon. Ayan, at susunod na po sa laban na ito ay ang Genesis Roaring Lions and the STI Junior Olympians, the do or die game of the STI Junior Olympians. Abangan natin yan. Makakasama natin, or makakasama nyo yan, si Christine Reyes, ang ating napakagandang commentator. Now, Gobis on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Diaz, now Jersey for the 3 points.
nothing but the net for number 10.
Hachazo. Jersey number 10, grabe. We are on the midway of our 4th and last quarter. Now, jersey number 7, Vargas to Mayor, fires for the 3. No good this time. Annunciation's basketball.
Well, the Annunciation Panthers have been hot hands from the first up until the last quarter of this ball game, as Destura stripping that ball away from Kian. That doesn't go, but number 17 of the Annunciation, Gobis, finishes that one, and timeout of the ACC Green Serpents. Now they have no timeouts here with 4 minutes and 14 seconds. 62 to 39, biggest margins right now of the Annunciation Panthers against the ACC Green Serpents. Both teams have 1 team fouls in the 4-minute mark of our 4th quarter. And you see here a snapshot of the ACC Green Serpents as they took their last, or they have taken their last time out in this ball game. And our officials in the corner, we have Ronnie Malinisa, Rudel Pancho, and Rosel Ponting of the SBP NCER. And we continue afternoons right here in Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second game this morning, or rather this afternoon. It's 12:31, and up next is the 1 p.m. game, the STI and the Genesis Roaring Lions.
Now, Mayor. Now to Bonggon, ACC's basketball. And a steal here, great deflection on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Back-to-back steal by Eda. Now, Eda with that flying motion. Grabe. Serpents have the wings right now. LA, nakikita natin dito sa ating hard court. Now, Panthers. No good on that attempt by the Panthers. Mayor to Eda again. Now, Mayor to jersey number 4. Fires for the 3. And that's good. 3 points.
They needed that one. They needed that one since they are trailing against the Annunciation Panthers. And now a timeout also for the Annunciation Panthers. There's still 3 minutes. Still 3 minutes is left for the Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents, and still has a chance to retake the lead, or will the Annunciation Panthers cement this win and win big against the ACC Green Serpents?
44-62, 18 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito sa nanonood sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. We have here Maui, ang ating very cutesy, very demure na courtside reporter from the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. We also have here Kulas Loria, Janro Morelio. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Well, John Morelio and Jome Loria will be joining the NCF Cubs and will be battling the UNC Greyhounds for the second round of elimination in the Bucal University's Colleges Athletic League Season 6 Men's Basketball Juniors Division. Now here comes the Annunciation Panthers to Destura, number 18.
That's good for
Short
the
stab.
ACC Green Serpents. In and out ball. No good on that 3 points attempt by jersey number 8. Eda. Now, Diaz to Detura. Gobes. No good on that attempt by Gobes. And out of bounds as the same ball possession for jersey number 18, Destura rather. Now jersey number 30, Balaoro.
Ball was stripped away. And here comes Eda, flying high and scores for 2.
Now, jersey number 10, Hachazo to Balaoro. No good on that mid-range jump.
Almost getting that teardrop shot to go. And a stare down between Diaz and Mayor.
Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 24, Adrian Diaz, on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
And also, he is now given a warning for unsportsmanlike behavior during that stare down between him and Mayor of the Green Serpents. Last 2 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. There's that block by Gobis. Now here is Balaoro with a layup. He finishes that one. And Mayor feeling that sense of urgency right now for the ACC Green Serpents as he fires that 3-pointer but doesn't go in.
Now, Hachazo with that block by Mayor. Now, Eda Slow down and goes for that 2 points. That's good for Eda on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, we are about to approach the last minute of our fourth and last quarter. Now Diaz stops and pops. No good.
Onto the foot of Alicando. As shot clock is back to 12 seconds. And Balaoro to inbound it to Gobis. Back to Destura with 1 minute left in the fourth quarter, and they are on the verge of winning this match against the ACC Green Serpents, but there's a miscue as the Balaoro misses that pass.
Now ACC's basketball. The same ball possession for the ACC Green Serpents. Now Mayor to jersey number 6. And out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take the ball possession. Last 40 seconds.
Well, they only need to have a stop here on the ACC Green Serpents, as the ACC Green Serpents will have no choice but to foul the Annunciation Panthers.
Grabe, napakagandang laban indeed. 51-66, 15 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Napatawag pa nga sila dito ng timeout on the last 31 seconds of our fourth and last quarter. Susunod na po ang bakbakan ng STI Junior Olympians and the Genesis Roaring Lions in the Juniors Division. Third game of the third week of our second round of eliminations.
And Coach Van called a timeout, and they are leading against the ACC Green Serpents 66-51, and we are moments away from wrapping up the game between Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. Last 27 seconds of our fourth and last quarter, and everything is slowing down. Ayan na nga. Turnover tayo dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 18 seconds remaining. And a sweet taste of victory na nga ba for the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Mayor. And still here. And both of these teams ay nakikita naman natin na kino-congratulate na nila ang isa't isa for being a act of sportsmanship. And that's it. That's the end of our second game. ACC and the Annunciation Panthers. The Panthers got their win here dito sa ating second round of eliminations. 51-66, 15 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para makilala ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Bicolandia taking their win against the champions of the Bucal Season 5, the victors of this match, the Annunciation College of Sorsogon Juniors Division. Now, the best player of the game is brought to you by KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker in Naga City. Coming from the bench with 13 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 3 steals, and 1 block, jersey number 30, Mr. Nachi Balaoro. So, congratulations. Kwentuhan mo naman kami kung ano ba ang naging motivation mo para sa laro mo ngayong araw.
Pagsusuporta lang po ng pamilya at saka mga coaches. Pagtutulungan ng aming team.
And ano ba yung tumatak na advice sa'yo ni Coach Van para manalo kayo ngayong araw?
Makinig lang mabuti. Magsunod lang ng pagsusunod lang sa tinuturo. Yun lang. Indeed, you made your team proud. Now, this is your chance na magpasalamat o mag-shoutout sa mga taong sumuporta sa inyo at sa team mo all the way from Sorsogon. Shoutout po sa team namin, Coach Van, Tio de la Cruz, Karamam James, Kara Coach Ron. Sa team na, sa dorm, shoutout.
So, thank you and congratulations.
Karel Dere.
So once again, thank you and congratulations, Mr. Nachi Balaoro with 13 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 3 steals, and 1 block. This has been Rain Reyes, the courtside resident of the Annunciation College of Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Well, after their fourth encounter with the ACC Green Serpents, they finally have the end game. They win against the ACC Green Serpents. And now our KD Sportswear player of the game is Nachi Balaoro with 13 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 3 steals, and 1 block to end this ball game and also to put the team on his back and win against the ACC Green Serpents.
Ayun na nga. At once again, I am Jasper Abante and nakasama natin LA Lapid. Susunod na ang bakbakan ng STI Junior Olympians and the Genesis Roaring Lions in the Juniors Division. Makakasama nyo ang nag-iisang napakagandang commentator ng Bucal Season 6, Christine Reyes. Tutok lamang for more top-tier basketball actions only here on Bucal Season 6 and One Media TV 48 Naga. And of course, Oragon Sports TV Facebook page.
And this is Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.